Hi friends, welcome to the channel Unshackling Sudoku and Puzzles. Ashish here, and today I'll be covering a puzzle genre called Nuribao puzzle. Now this puzzle comes into the shading puzzle category, and it's somewhat kind of a Nurikabe puzzle. So the puzzle name genre itself is kind of similar to Nurikabe. So today we'll be solving two puzzles, and both of the puzzles are from different authors. So the first puzzle that we are solving is from Freddie Hand, and the second puzzle that we'll be solving today is from Michael Tan. And both of them are the excellent authors, and has been given very good feedback regarding the puzzles. So it has they have got very good feedback for the puzzles that we'll be solving today. So I thought of making a video on both of the puzzles and just explain what a Nuribao puzzle is all about. So before going to the puzzle, I would really suggest you to check out the channel Unshackling Sudoku and Puzzles. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do so. It will really motivate us to cover videos on daily basis. And if at all you have a request for any puzzle genre or a Sudoku variant, do let us know in the comment below and we'll surely make a video on it. And now coming on to the puzzles. So the first puzzle that we'll be solving is by Freddie Hand. And coming on to the rules of this puzzle. So just like a Nurikabe puzzle, there has to be an island of exact number of cells indicated by the number here. So each number will have an island of those many cells, white cells in it. So for example, if you have a 2, you'll have 2 white cells and all the other cells nearby it will have to be black, right? And all the here in this case, just like a Nurikabe puzzle, you don't have black cells or shaded cells connected to each other, right? So you can have shaded cells in such a way that it can form only a strip of one cell wide and any number of cells long. So you can have one cell, a black shaded cell, or 2 cells in straight line, 3 cells or 4 cells or 5 cells. But you cannot have an L shape or any other shape possible. You can just have a line here. So for example, let us see for the 2 here, right? So if you have 2 here, you can have this way but not this way. So this would have to be a white cell and this would have to be a white cell, right? And the strips of black cells that are diagonally touching with other black cells cannot be of the same size, right? So for example, let me show you what does that mean. So for example, if you have a 1 here, let us assume you have a 1 here this way, then you have a white cell here, and if this is a black cell strip of 1 cell just, then the diagonally other adjacent cells touching the black cells cannot be of 1 cell long. It would have to be at least 2, 3 or 4 anything. So if this is of 2 cell long, then this black cell cannot be of 2 cell long. It would have to be either 1, 3, 4 or anything, right? So that is what the rule says, and again I will just brief you with the rules. So the black cells divide the grid in areas of white cells, and each area contains 1 cell with a number, and the number indicates the number of white cells in that area, right? Black cells form horizontal or vertical strips but not diagonal or maybe L shape or any other shape, and each strip must be exactly 1 cell wide, and if 2 strips are connected to each other diagonally, then those will have to be of different sizes. That is what the rule says, and with that we'll start solving this puzzle. So each white area will have only one number, so which means that the 1 is already fulfilled with 1 cell in it, the 1 is already fulfilled with the 1 cell in it, and of course these all cells would have to be white because they cannot be of these other shapes, right? So this is white, so you have already 2 formed. This is white and this is white here, this is white here, this is also, sorry, these are also white, so you already have 2 formed here. So all of these are white here, this is white, right? And now why the trick here is helpful is, or what the puzzle seems to be here is, if you see here, if this black cell is extended to form a greater or a bigger strip, you will have it as a 2 white cells strip form of 2 black cells, and you already have a 2 black cell strip here. So 2 same size strips cannot touch diagonally, so this would have to be white, and this white cell has to come out because the white cell will surely have to be part of any of the numbers here. So all of the white cells have to be part of one number here, and if there is a question mark here, that means that this can be any number, any positive number, right? So you cannot have a white cell which has its own area or a different area. So that has to be part of any number given in the grid. And now this cell is a single cell, I mean to say this strip is of a single cell. So this strip cannot be of the single cell, it would have to be at least 2, and it will be only 2. It cannot extend more because then it will form an L shape here. So the 20 has to be fulfilled, this has to go out, this white cell has to come out, and now we are sure that the 20 is taking the right part of the grid, right, because all of the areas or all of the paths are closed for it to come towards the left, which means that the 21 will take all of these white cells, because of course 10 cannot take these white cells, right, these green cells, because it will be too much bigger grid here, I mean to say bigger area here, and 10 will have more than 10 cells in it. So which means that the 21 will have to come towards the left to get all of these green cells. Okay, this is a white cell. This cannot be a black cell again. This cell cannot be a black cell, because then you will have form a two cell strip here, and you already have a 2 cell strip here, right? So this have to be a white cell. This also cannot be single black cell, it has to extend at least 2. Okay. Okay, these both will be white, this has to be white, right, easy. So both of these will be white, and this also white has to come out. Okay, that's a nice one. Sorry. Oh, lights off. Okay, do we get anything else? So we are sure that all of these white cells, or maybe these white cells, these 4 green cells will have to be part of the 21, which means all of these cells will also be part of the 21. Let us count that: 4, 5, 6, 7, and there has to be a connection here, at least one connection 8, one connection here 9, one connection here 10. So these are 10 cells: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So we have already formed 18 cells out of 21 here, and we need 3 more cells, right? Let us see if we are able to find that. So this can extend here. Okay. Oh, what an excellent logic here. What an excellent narrow logic here. Superb logic, guys. So what happens if this is a black cell here? The moment you have this as a black cell, sorry, very bad. So the moment you have this as a black cell, this cannot be of a single strip black cell, it has to extend at least 2, and again it cannot be of 2 because you already have a 2 here, so this would have to extend for the 3, and you have a bunch of white cells here not part of any of the numbers here. Excellent logic, guys. What an excellent logic this is, which means that this would have to be a white cell. Now we had counted till 18 here, this is 19, this is 20, which means we need one more cell fulfilled for the 21 to be done. We are not sure, it can be anywhere here as well, but we are sure that this group of white cells cannot be part of the 21. So this would have to be a black cell. This has to come out this way, and these both cannot be connected to each other, so one more black cell. And again, so there is a two shaded black cell strip here, so this would have to be at least 2 or more, I mean to say at least 3 or more. So this would be a black cell, and this would have to be a white cell. So now we have formed exactly 21 cells, counting the connection cells here, right? So there is we have taken the minimum connection cells here, so that counts us to 21. So the minimum is for sure has to be correct, and now we have exactly 21 cells in that area: 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18 and 21. So all of the other areas can be closed for the 21 here. Excellent logic, guys. What an excellent puzzle this is. So which means that all of these would have to be white cells here. This will come out. So how many cells are already there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, right? And there has to be a connection here. If this is a black cell, the connection will be this way. So there are total of 9 cells here, and we need only one more cell in such a way that you have only one cell wide black strip. So can it be this cell? Of course no. Can it be this cell? No. Can it be this cell? It can be this cell, but then no, not possible again, that is not connecting to the 10. So the only cell remaining is this cell, right? Excellent logic. So this would have to come out. This is a white cell. Okay, this be a black cell? No, because if this becomes a black cell, this will again have to extend to become a 3, not a 2. So then you close the 20 here. So this is a white cell here. So we have we for sure know that the 20 has to take this area, because there is no much space here for the 20 to be taken. Let us see, 4, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, so it will have to take this area for sure. So we have already 5 here, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. We need 5 more cells. And so if this is a black cell, this would have to be a black cell, or this would have to be a black cell for it not to occur one cell black, right? So which means it cannot be a black cell, this would have to be a white cell. And again, if this is a black cell, excellent logic. This logic is again and again used in this puzzle. That is one of the excellent logics used in a Nuri-Bai puzzle. So if you extend this as a black cell, it cannot form for 2, it will have to form the 3. And again, it cannot form the 3 because diagonally connected, it will have to form the 4. Not possible, right? So this would have to be a white cell. And if this is a black cell, this would have to be a black cell. And then again, you have the connection to be this way. Not possible, right? Because you touch the one number here. Already question mark is one of the positive number. So this is a white cell again. So how many cells you have now in the 20? I think so 18. 4, 8, 12 and 6, 18 cells. So you already have 18 cells in the 20 area, and you need 2 more cells. And of course this would have to be a black cell now, because if you connect these 3 cells will be extra and you will have 21 cells. So this would have to be a black cell. This would have to come this way. This will again be a black cell, because you cannot form a one cell connection here. So this will come here. Both of these will be both of these will be black cells here. So you already have, okay, so you already have 18, you need 2 more, and that gives you a black cell here. Excellent logic, guys. So the question mark uses these 6 cells here. What an excellent puzzle this was. Really one of the superb excellent puzzle. I haven't solved a Nuri-Bai puzzle ever, but this is one of my first puzzles, and it's really an excellent puzzle. So we have solved one puzzle by Freddy Ann, and let us try and solve the other puzzle by Michael Tang. So this seems to be a very good puzzle, a bigger grid here, 11 by 11 grid, and let's see if we are able to crack this puzzle, right? So the 1 is for the start here. We already know that the 1 has to be a start here, and all of these would have to be white cells here. And we already know that these are the 1 cell strip here, so this would have to extend at least for 2 cells, right? Nice. Okay, this has to come out, this has to come out, and of course 2 will have only 2 green cells, including itself. So both of these will be black cells, and this also will be a white cell. So this would have to be a black cell again, and this is a white cell. Superb. So this is also done. This would have to come out. So this is a white cell. You have already 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 is fulfilled, right? 1, 2, 3, 7 and 10. So all of the other will be a black cell. This would have to come out. So this is a green cell, this is a green cell, green cell, green cell and green cell. Excellent. So if we extend this, we would have to extend this again. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Possible. It's a possible one. Let's see the 8, because we know something is there with the 8 here. You already have 7 cells filled, and if this is a white cell, all of these will be a black. So in other words, you can say all of these 3, or maybe these 3 at a time cannot be black cells, right? Because then all of these, both of these will be black cells of single shaded cell. Not possible, right? So which means that both of these will have to be black, both of these are white, this is a white, and this cannot be part of the 8. So this has to come out again. And can this be a white cell? Not possible, because both of these will be black and this also will be black and this will be white. Not possible. So this cannot be a white cell, this would have to be a black cell. And okay, both of these are black cells. This cannot be a white cell, as we already seen that, so this would have to be a black again. Both of these, all of these three are white cells, so this is a black cell, and this would have to be a white cell for the 8 now, which means this is a black cell and this comes out this way. Excellent. The 8 logic was really very good logic here. Let's see if we can see something else with the other part of the grid. So we know that this bunch of green cells cannot be part of the 7, this would have to be part of the 15 only, which means that for the 7 to be fulfilled, how many cells are remaining? So when this bunch of white cells or green cells are part of the 15, this 2 cells also would have to be part of this 15, because this cannot be part of the 7. You will close the path for these white cells to go to the 15. So which means that you have exactly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You have exactly 8 cells, out of which 7 will be used for the area, right? So we can use some of the logics here. If this is not okay, this would have to be a white cell again. So this would have to be a white cell. If this is not the white cell, you have only 6 cells left, and if this is not the white cell, you have only 6 cells left again. So you have 7, 8 cells, right? Okay. Can this be? Okay. No, this cannot be part of the, or maybe this cannot be a black cell. So the moment you have this as a black cell, all the others would have to be 7, used for the 7, and you have 2 strips of same size here, right? So which means that this would have to be a white cell, both of these are black cells. So this is a white cell, the black cell would have to extend here, and now there are only 7 cells remaining for the 7 here. Nice. This would have to extend, this would have to extend, and this would have to extend. Okay. So how many cells we have for the 15 now? 15, 10 and 15 is already done. We have exactly 15 cells used, and see all the other cells would have to be black adjacent to 15. This would have to be white and this would have to be a white cell. Superb. That was an excellent logic here. And let's see if we can do the 12 now. I think so the 12 part would be easy, because what happens here is you don't have enough space for the 12 to be fulfilled and it has to go out this way, right? So both of these would have to be black, this is a white, and now the 7 would have to be fulfilled going out this way. So at least 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is a black cell again, and now this black cell cannot extend anywhere. If it, okay, it can, I'm sorry, it can extend anywhere. I'm not sure what else can be done here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 and 8 and 10 are already done. Okay, 7 would have to go this way. Anything we are missing here? So if this is a black cell, both of these would be white, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 and 4, it's done, it's correct. And if this is a black cell, both of these would be white, and again 12 correct. So you have 12. So either way, if okay, that's an excellent logic, guys. So if either way this black cell extends this way or this way, sorry, the 12 is fulfilled here already, right? And if it doesn't extend, what happens here is both of these will be white cells, and this cannot be a white cell again, and it cannot be a black cell as well. It cannot be a black cell because both of these will be connections and will have only one cell, and it cannot be white cell as well because you'll have 13 cells in it. So which means that it would have to extend anyway, either this way or this way, and in both the ways this is closed, right? That's an excellent logic here. So we have 7 here, 8, 9, 10, and either this way or this way, right? Superb. So let's see that here. If it's this way, this would have to be white. If it's this way, this would have to be a white. Okay, in both the cases you have one white here, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, this cannot extend here. So what happens here is, if you extend this way, this would have to be a white cell, right? And if you extend this way, this would have to be a white. It cannot be a black, right? So in either ways, you have a white cell here, so which means the 7 cannot be fulfilled here, and this would have to extend this way, and okay, so you have already 5 here. One of the connections will have 9 here. So this has to be a black. You have already 9 cells here. This cannot be a white, so this would have to be a black. This cannot be a white because this would have to be a white. This is a black, this is a white, and this is a black. You have 10 fulfilled here. And are we doing something wrong here? Because I am unable to see the logic here. You have 12 done. Okay, this is done. This is possible, and this is also possible, right? Are we breaking anything here? Have you done everything correct here? 10 is fulfilled here. Okay, 15 is 6, 11 and 15 is fulfilled here. This is also fulfilled. 7 and okay, we are not sure if we are breaking anything here. Okay, so you need 2 cells, right? I'm sorry, very bad thing here. So which means that both of these cells would have to be white now. At least this cell would have to be white, and which means that this cannot be a black. This would have to be a black. Both of these are white, and this is also white. That was a very simple logic, and I missed it. I miscounted for the 7 to be 6 already, so that made me confused here. But 7 had already 5 cells, right? And with that we complete this Nuribao puzzle. What an excellent puzzle by Freddy Hand and Michael Tang. I really thank them for giving us an opportunity to cover this puzzle type on our channel, and we learned a new puzzle today, Nuribao puzzle. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Do like and comment if you want us to solve any other Sudoku variant or a puzzle genre, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.